Hello and welcome back to Southside Miniatures, and then I'm Mick. Just like to show you, but I never filmed it, that I'm making a little doll's house to go into a doll's house for the owner of the Art Deco house. And as this is the doll's house that I've cut. I could cut bits out of. Yeah, I made it out of 2mm basswoods, and then I've cut the two side walls, the front and the back, and the two floors. And then that's sorry I didn't show you like painting cutting them out or painting them, but I painted halfway through them. So yeah, I'm painting the top floor. I painted that dark, it's dark and umber, and then as I painted the walls grey, so that matches to go in now, and that's the grey I'm using. Sorry, and then as you see, and the bottom floor is kind of a brown, sorry, it's and they're kind of a yellowy, and as the walls I'm going to have is the green. Yeah, it's these colours I've chosen to paint the walls and the floors. And then but it's entirely up to you what colour that you want to choose. But yeah, so I've gone like with grey walls. I'm going to have green in the walls down the bottom. I've got a light yellowy, dark yellowy floor, and dark floor on top. Yeah, that's the front of the building. That's the outside. And that's the inside. So what I'm going to do is carry on painting this now. I'm going to be painting this one as the bottom one, a green. So I'm going to start painting that. And I'm going to stir it. Yeah, you can pick these up cheap from in the Wixes. There's their little sample pots, but they do go a long way actually, and especially like for doll's house furniture and other bits and pieces. So they're pretty reasonable to buy, instead of buying a big pot. So that's that. So I'm going to start painting this green, these bottom ones. I'm not going to go over that line, because that's where the floor is going to sit, and so I want to give it enough glue to get hold of the woods. So what I've got to do, I've got to paint the other walls. So what I'm going to do is go off and then paint them, and then I'll be back once they're painted. Okay, I've had a change of mind again. What I've done, and then I will explain to you in a minute. But and I've done the front. The door's got to be painted, and then they've put a plastic glass in the windows, and I hope you can see this. And then my wife Sharon put some curtains at the top, and put the blinds down the bottom. But and then it's got to and they paint the door, and put the door handle and the letterbox on. And then my wife Sharon made these out of polymer clay. Oh, and there's so that they are dry now. So all I'm gonna do is paint them and put them on. And also, yeah, I've had a change of minds. Where it was going to be a single house, or sorry, a double house, but not so long, because this was the floor. This is the bottom floor, and as it was going to sit that length and the sides going up like this. What I've done, because I want to add lights to it, and as I ain't got nowhere to put the light battery. So what I've done is we extended the floor, and this is going to be the floor, and it was that size, but it's going to be this size now. So and I've got light size to go up it, to go in there once this is up, and I'm going to put light size like that to make it a little bit longer, cut some windows in this so I can put the battery in there, and that's so I can put the lights up. Yeah, so what I've got to do now, this is the sidewall for it, and as you can see, to go there, and there's this to be the front, and then what I've got to do is cut a window. I've got to cut one window in this inside there, and the window in here on the board, and then on the sidewall, and then this bit here be the black back wall, so I could put the light battery in there. We'll just slide it in there, and then that's how it's out of the way. So so what I'm going to do now is go away and cut these windows out. Paint this the same colour as the floor was going to have it. And then paint all that as yellowy, dark yellow, or musty colour, and it looks like to me. And then paint the walls and the walls and as and put the windows in and the glass in. Right, I put the glass in. I painted the bits for the side of the house, as you can see. I put the glass in, but I've done it blurry so you can't see through the glass, and on both windows. As you can see, you can't see. I've scuffed them up a little bit, so and they can't see the and they're through the window. I've done the fronts of the house now, and that's the door up bottom, and I did paint the door blue, and then put the black box and the handle on, and that and that's in plus. And then when I did do this floor, I did paint it. First floor I did paint it that colour. Anyway, but that's a bit mustardy, you know, like so I painted this yellow. But I think this is mustard yellow, I think, and all that, but I have gone with this yellow now. And that's and what it is, it's time to start fixing the house together. And then putting the light in. And that's so I'm going to put the two sides and the back on, and and I'll come back to you and show you when I drill it to put the lights in, and then before I put the front of the house on. And it was bothering me about the colours, sorry, so I did find the colours and I'll come back. Yeah, this one is a mustard yellow, and this one is a lion's mane, when it's called. So yeah, that's the two colours. So and I've gone with the mustard and that yellow. So yeah, that's. And I know it's a bit, and then me coming back, but it was bothering me that I forgot the name of the colours. So yeah, so what I'm going to do now is go away and we'll do these front and two sides, and then come back and show you that. Okay, I've put the and then I've done the back wall, the two side walls, and the upper floor. I've got my lights in. As you can see, the light on there when the side goes up on the house, and then there's the ground floor and the second floor. So what I'm going to do is now is and then you can see that. Okay. Sorry, if you see it. And then that's what I'm going to do is now is turn this off. That's then put the fronts on and the side there. And then I'll come back and I'll show you what that's like. Right, okay, is I put the front on the house and the sides. As you see, I moved the light up to there because it was on the floor. So I moved the light up, and then what I'm going to do is turn the light on now, and I hope you can see that. And there's I've got black paint on my hands, on my fingers, and then I was just painting the roof and all that. So yeah, it's time to put the roof on now. Yeah, I moved that light up, and I'll put that light there. Put that light on the floor in there. I cannot get now because it's all sealed. So and then that's what I'm going to do is stick the roof on, and then come back and show you once it's all once it's all done. Okay, I've just finished off the house. Oh, near enough dropped it in. And as you can see, and then it's all done now. So and then I'm pleased with it. So yeah, that's it. That's it with the lights off. And I'm going to put it on a turntable, and then show you on a turntable. And that's with the lights on. And the doors open, as you can see. That's the side of the house. And so I'm going to put it on the turntable, and show you. But if you do like this video, if you could push that and that's the subscribe button, please, because it is free. And then if you push that like button, and if you need to get in contact with us, you can get in contact with us on Southside Miniatures at gmail.com, and that is enjoy when watching on the turntable, and thank you for tuning into another one of our videos, and thank you very much, and speak to you soon. Oh.